Racing just is started. We have Northlander break quickly at the start. I Enjoy is on the outside. Handog in between horses. Then next online. And now on the outside comes Isabel Ariana. Tuxedo comes next. Don't touch the wine. Mr. Sensitive while Peace needed is the early trailer by about 12 lengths. Up the little run going along for the first turn. We have Handog moving upon the outside now is I Enjoy. Northlander is racing in third. Then comes Isabel moving upon the outside is Tuxedo. Don't Touch the Wine comes next. Then followed now by Peace Needed. Mr. Sensitive secondless. While Ariana no racing in less. Back to the leader. Two runners keep on party route for the leader. Handog is running by the rail. I Enjoy is still in second on the outside. And here he comes. Tuxedo now trying to get closer into Northlander. Peace Needed is down in fifth. Then comes Ariana. Don't Touch the Wine. Isabel and Mr. Sensitive. And then entering the home stretch. Will I Enjoy? Then here comes Tuxedo. Now moving up on the outside. Ariana as they swing for home. Tuxedo now says it's my turn to take the lead. And in second, I Enjoy moving up on the outside. Peace Needed. Last 75 meters, Jackie Mark Monato Gonzalez on Tuxedo. Second, Peace Needed. Then comes Ariana. Mr. Sensitive, I Enjoy.
Alright, top choice, number 5, Tuxedo, crossing the wire first, ridden by Mark M. Gonzalez. Then masisisegundo nga. Number 6, Peace Needed, Ariana. Mr. Sensitive, then I Enjoy para sa inyong 10 trifecta. Panoorin natin, replay.